Wouldn't it be nice if weather was like this all year long? We just have to go back to a week when temperatures were stuck in the 30s and we're talking about snow. Not the case today. We're talking about the warmth. We'll head near 80 degrees. We do have to watch for an isolated shower. And at times this weekend, it is going to be windy. Tomorrow's still comfortable for your Easter Sunday with temperatures in the low 60s and a lot of sunshine. Radar and satellite, just some clouds and sunshine out there for now. You can see off to our west, there are some showers. So showers are knocking on our door, and you can follow that. That's part of a warm front that has continued to lift on through. Follow the line of showers all the way down to the west. Cold front is what's eventually going to bring us a few showers later on this evening and then help to knock back our temperatures. Current temperatures, look at this, not cold whatsoever. You don't need the jacket today. Maybe t-shirt weather already. Near 70 within Metro West of Boston, the Merrimack Valley, 67 in Worcester, some 50 still across Cape Cod and the islands. And dew points are going to eventually rise. We're slowly getting there. It's still a comfortable air mass, but it's going to feel just a tad bit humid into this afternoon as our dew points head close to 60 degrees. So the change is in the air. Southwest wind helping to bring that change and bring us more of that warmth. Sustained wind right now about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts are going to be above and near 30 miles per hour by this afternoon. So you're definitely going to notice the wind. But if you're going to have the cloud cover, which we will, you do need that wind to help to boost our temperatures to the summer-like feel. We head near 80 degrees within Worcester County, a lot of low 80s within Metro West. Warmest spot found within northern Metro West into the Merrimack Valley. Low to possibly even mid-80s. Near 80 within Boston and 60s and 50s across the South Coast, Cape Cod, and the islands. That's because we have that southwest wind that's working in off the chilly Atlantic waters. We look at our future forecast. We'll have intervals of sunshine and clouds for today. So at times you're in the sunshine, then back in the cloud cover. Now early afternoon, I can't rule out some showers north of Route 2 into southern New Hampshire. Part of that batch of showers that's closest to us off to the west. I think at this point, most of us remain dry and we will have sunshine this afternoon. It's once we get closer to 6 o'clock that we'll have to watch some of these showers that drift from the northwest down to the southeast. I can't rule out a rumble of thunder through the early evening, and this will continue to slide through Boston through this evening and then be offshore by say 10, 11 o'clock, and then we're winding things down. Through the overnight, the wind is going to shift to the northwest. This will help to dry us out, but it's still breezy, so temperatures stay elevated in the upper 40s, low 50s, and you have to remember we're coming off of temperatures near 80 degrees, so it's going to be a slow cool down. For your Easter Sunday, comfortable tomorrow morning. This is if you don't mind the wind. We'll have the wind with us through the entire day. We'll be in the 50s for the morning, high temperatures in the low 60s, and we'll have mostly sunshine. I think the strongest wind is going to favor the morning hours. Some gusts 35 near 40 miles per hour, especially within the higher terrain. And then it stays breezy into the afternoon. Less of that breeze, though, as we get closer to sunset. The nice weather rolls on into Marathon Monday. We start out chilly in the upper 30s near 40 degrees, making our way through 50s in the morning. Low 60s for highs, but it stays in the 50s on the coast thanks to a sea breeze. Our next opportunity for showers comes on Tuesday.